sir.
So another 1 0,
0 1
some 1 carry 0, and 1 1. This is the
1
0
is 0
and
is 1.
carry is 1. Okay,
Yeah.
this is the truth table. Okay, summation truth table. Now you know that this is the output. Okay, these two output, and this 2 is input. Okay, this is the input and this output. Clear? So this sum, this output are 2 outputs, and this output is only 1 output. So this one against our input a bar b, this one means this is the condition. 0 means a bar and 1 means b. So this one means a bar b, and this one means a b bar. Okay, and this the out carry. This one means input, this ab. Okay, all are clear? মিথুন বুঝতে পারছো?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So your sum is equal to a bar b plus a b bar. Okay, this is the 2. So this and this plus, and carry is equal to only 1. So carry is equal to ab. You know that we already discuss our two another law, a bar b bar plus ab. This is equal to a exclusive b bar, and a bar b plus a b bar, this is equal to a exclusive b. Okay, these are two law. Or you know, you also understand odd number input high, output high, odd number input high, output high. This is the exclusive OR logic. Okay, odd number input high, output high. So this is the a exclusive b. This means a exclusive b, and this is the ab. So suppose this your input, one input a, another input this, another input b. So if this is the exclusive OR gate, then this is the a exclusive b. Exclusive b means this is the sum. Okay, so this is equal to your output is sum, and carry, this is the a point and this is the b point, is another draw AND gate. This is the AND gate. Okay, so this AND gate ab is equal to carry. Okay, so this is the sum and carry. Okay, all are clear?
Yes, sir.
And now we check. Suppose a value, to know that suppose a value 1, b value 0. So our output 1 0 is equal to exclusive OR gate, odd number input high. So this is the high, and get 1 0, and get logic, all input high, output high. So this is not all input high. So this is the okay. So ab a1 and b0. This is the a1 and b0. So our sum is equal to 1 and carry is equal to 1 and carry is equal to 0. মিথুন, তোমার কিন্তু নয়েজ আসছে। Okay, so clear? This is the 1 and this is 0. If suppose this is the both 1, so exclusive OR gate, you know that exclusive OR gate 1 1 is equal to 0, and AND gate 1 1 is equal to 1. So this is the sum is equal to 0 and carry is equal to 1. This is the sum is equal to 0, carry is equal to 1. Okay, this called half adder. Is well half adder. Okay, clear? This is the half adder circuit. Okay, all are clear? এই একদিন ডিসকাস করো। ইয়েস স্যার ইব্রাহিম, আর ক্লিয়ার?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, Ibrahim, just you discuss your another friend just 3 minutes, half adder circuit. You describe this. At first describe this the truth table and truth table to equation and equation to circuit. Just 2 or 3 minutes you describe. Quick, start.
Raha iska dhabalnya dua daban.
Start describe.
Okay.
Iska shaqeyn.
Yeah. Somali maqlay.
Not Somali language, English language. All students are under.
Sir, all they understand. They say we understand.
Okay, you just clear this, describe this. Okay, you describe this.
What, sir?
You
What you say, sir?
describe this circuit. Okay, this half adder circuit. You describe this.
Okay. And after the circuit is all the input is high, the output is low. Okay. A is 1 and B is 1. The and its is 0. You know that does this?
Yes.
Okay. And midka hoose magaciisa midka hoose.
And please again explain the table.
Sorry, my speaker is something wrong. I don't have a iPhone.
We can hear you very well. Yeah, speak. Go on.
Okay. Sir, all we are sent. Dig baasha ka daaya hadhow baad daawanaydaa.
Odayga ku adkaysiga daaya adhow degsinaysa afkiisa daaya. Ibrahim, go on, please.
Sir, all they are sent.
Ibrahim. Wait.
All is clear.
All right.
Halo, malam kali ya?
What's up?
Break ba? Siapa lagi?
يقول ايه بقى قصة قصة
Ya,
Itu
قصة
lah.
تقول
Itu
يعني
lah. Kalau
halo.
anigu
ada
hurdada
video,
soo qabta meesha yes unbaa u jooga markaan
walaal
baxay
maalin aku jira ams.
Maxaan doonaynaa oon dhegeysanayna.
Okay, so just another we have discussed. Half adder means just this, not full circuit. This is the half circuit. Half circuit means this. Suppose our problem this your data and addition this. Okay, this 1 and 1. This is the
Zero.
only two. Only one. This is the A and this is the B. Okay, this circuit. This circuit also this. This is the 1 and 1. So our output 1 on 1. We know that our output is equal to sum is equal to 0 and carry 1. This carry add our next value. Okay, this is the carry.
Okay.
Previous carry. All are clear? This is the 1 1 0. So this is the carry 1. This carry 1 is also addition this second step. So this is the 3. These are the 3. Okay. So
Okay.
these 3 not possible one time at a time addition. We are intelligent, so we are at a time in addition 1 1 and 0. So 1 1 and 2 and 0. So 2. So our output is 0. Output is 0 and carry is 1. Okay. So this, but this not direct complete this. This is the 2-step completion. At first complete this half. At first complete this half. Okay. This half 1 and 0. So this is the 1. Okay. 1 and 0. So addition, this is the 1 and carry is equal to 0. This part and this carry addition second time. This is the first time add this. Okay, this is the A value and this is the suppose B value and this is the sum. This is the sum and this is the carry. Okay, and this is the previous carry. So this previous carry is also add this one. Okay, so this another half adder. 1 minute.
Halo.
Okay, so this is the first step. First step we are complete one half adder. Okay, this one half adder, this half adder are this is the A value and this is the B value. This half adder, your result, this is the sum and this is the carry, and this your previous carry. This one is previous carry. So this one also add this. So this your another half adder. This is the A and this B. This A means this is the sum and this B means C in carry in. This is the C in carry in. Okay. So this another half adder. So this half adder 1 and 1. Your result is 2. 2 means 0 and 1. Okay, so this your final summation, and this this carry and this also this previous carry, this carry and this carry are combined one OR gate. Okay, then this is the final carry. Okay, so this is the sum and this is the carry. All are clear?
Yes, sir.
So just to draw 1 minute. কি হলো না মুছে না কেন okay so না এটা তো কি প্রবলেম হলো so just know that this your 1/2 adder, this 1/2 adder. Okay, 1/2 adder means one exclusive OR gate and one AND gate. Okay, this is the A and B, this is the sum and carry. Okay, this is the 1/2 adder. We also design another half adder. This also, this is the sum and this is the carry. Okay, to know that this our 3 value, so at first complete first 2 value. Okay, this 1 and 1, this one and 1, at first complete this 2 value, then this your result 2, this is the sum and this is the carry. Sum is equal to 0, carry is equal to 1. Okay, clear? This is the sum is equal to sum and this is the carry. Sum is equal to 0 and carry is equal to 1. Then this 0 and this 1 is another addition. This is the another half adder. This. So this half adder, this is the A value and this is the B value. Okay, and this half adder, this is the A value and this is the B value. So this A value and B value. So this half adder, this A value and this is the B value. This A value is directly connect to sum. This is the directly connect. This is the sum. Okay, second sum, and this is the scene. This is the scene value. Okay, this is the scene value. This scene value is added this. Okay, so this another input. This input name is Cin. This is the 3 input. This is the 1 1 1. This is the A value. This is the B value and this is the Cin value. This Cin value. Okay, this is the Cin value. So these are 2. So this is the result. This 1 and 0. So this the result is 1, and this carry is equal to 0. So this is the final one. Okay, this is the 1 1 1 1 means this is the 0, and this is the 1 1 means this is the 1. Okay, and get, and this is the 1 also. So 0 and 1. So 0 1 means this is the 1. Okay, and 0 1 means this is the 0. And now we are know that this carry and this carry are jointly the one OR gate. Okay, so this is the carry, this carry and this carry, these both carry are jointly one OR gate. This is the final carry. Okay, so this is the sum and this is the final carry. Okay, so this called full adder circuit. 1/2 adder, this is the half adder means this is the one block diagram. This is the block diagram half adder. Half adder means this is the 2 point, at one is the A, B, and another this is the sum and this is the carry. 1/2 adder. So this is the suppose this is the blocks. So this 1/2 adder and another half adder. These are 2 half adder. Okay. this is the A and B and some carry, and A and B and some carry. Our circuit, this is the A value, this is the B value, this sum carry. So this sum is directly joined this A value, okay, and this B value is directly joined, not directly joined. This is the another value. Oh, sorry, this is the another value. This is the another value. This is the Cin, okay, and this is the final sum, and this carry and this carry is one OR gate. This is the final carry. Okay, clear?
Okay, sir. Clear.
Another half adder. This half adder. This another half adder. This and this same. This is the one block. Okay, this is the one block, and this is the your another block. Okay, this is the one half adder. This is the another half adder, and this is the this. Okay, clear? This circuit and this circuit same. This not full addition circuit, only 3 input addition circuit. This suppose this 3 input addition circuit. This if you need 4-bit parallel adder, okay, this is the 4-bit. This 4-bit parallel adder, we need this one full adder, this another full adder, this another full adder, this another. We need 4 this circuit. This circuit jointly 4. This circuit joined 4. Then this is the 4-bit parallel adder. Okay. Your calculator, this is the design 4. You suppose 4-bit calculator, so design must be this the 4. This is the one means one single line addition. Okay, and two line addition. So need this and another this. This topics discuss our next class. Okay, 4-bit parallel adder, 4-bit parallel subtractor. If you understand, then you design a one calculator. Okay. Designing our logic. Okay, so today our topics half adder and full adder. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So আজকে আর ক্লাস করব না, আজকে আমি শেষ করব। হ্যাঁ, আজকে আমরা কি করলাম? half adder and full adder. Okay.
Yes, sir.
আচ্ছা, কে আসছো? অনলি কয়েকজন। ইন্নালিল্লাহ।
মেবি 6 জন 5 জন স্যার মোট।
5 জন। এছাড়া আর কেউ আসছিল? আরো তো আসছিল মনে হয়।
বলতে পারি না।
ইসমাইল ছিল তো। আর কে ছিল? রোলগুলো এখন কে আসছো? রোলগুলো একটু বলো। এটা হচ্ছে
6।
আজকে কত তারিখ?
আজকে হইতেছে স্যার 16 তারিখ।
হ্যাঁ, তোমাদের 28 এ কয়জন আসছো? কে আসছো? রোল বলো। রোল 6 আসছো,
9 আছে,
2 আছে, তারপরে ইব্রাহিমের রোল 9,
17, 10,
17, 10। আর ইসমাইলের রোল কত ছিল?
ইসমাইল
তো টাইপ করে না এখানে? হ্যাঁ, রোল টাইপ করে না এখানে। অনলি 2 জন। 14 ছিল মনে হয়। ইয়াহিয়া 14।
Yes, also, sir.
14,
17.
Ismail.
No, Abdul Hamid.
Abdullah Hamid.
Yeah.
I know you, Abdul Hamid. Your role 2.
Abdul Aziz.
Oh, Abdul Hamid 17.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And সবাই কি রোল এখান থেকে টাইপ করেন? আর এই কয়জনই ছিল তাহলে?
জি স্যার, এই কয়জনই ছিল, আমি বেশি নেই।
9, 10, 14, 17.
স্যার 10।
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, so today our class finished. Okay.
Okay.